How to fix you have too many friends could not add Snapchat problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now the issue might be due to your lack of update or due to the older version of the Snapchat application. So let's first launch the Play Store application and search for Snapchat just to make sure you have an updated version. So as you tap on Snapchat, you can see there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Snapchat application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on Snapchat application. So tap on app info over here. Now when you tap on app info, simply tap on the clear data option at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on clear data and then clear the cache and tap on OK. As you tap on OK, you can just relaunch the Snapchat application on a device, and if that does not fix the issue, make a long press on power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device. And this might help you fix the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.